and welcome to this tutorial on Fusion 360. Today we're going to have a go at doing a simple orthographic drawing. So once you've got your 3D model open in Fusion 360, you need to go to your preferences, which will be found underneath your face in the top right hand corner. Go to preferences. When the window pops up, we need to go down to drawing. So select drawing, and then where it says standard, we need to change it to ISO. And then check the box here that says override or restore format defaults below. And then change where it says first angle on projection angle to third angle. First angle is the American way of doing an orthographic drawing, and in the UK we use third angle orthographics. So apply and OK. So we've set that, and now we need to turn this into an orthographic drawing. So if we go to the design tab in the top left hand corner, come down to drawing, and then from design. A little window pops up with a few options on there, but the default settings are absolutely fine, so click OK. My computer's going slow today for some reason, but this will take us into the orthographic tab in a moment and give us a layout with a border and a title block, and we just need to project our images and add our dimensions to it. So hopefully the orthographic will be on the screen shortly. Okay, there we go. Sorry for the delay there. So top left hand corner now we've got base view selected, and it's showing the base view as it's going to appear in my work. On the right hand side in this window it's got scale 2:1. If I could make it bigger I would make it bigger, but 2:1 seems to be about right to fit onto this sheet. But as I can see, the way this drawing's created, I'm actually looking at the back of the model, the back of the Lego man in this case. So orientation front, I'll change that to back, because for some reason the back's the front and the front's the back on this one. And then place my model somewhere on this page. As soon as my computer catches up with me again, I can select OK in this box. There we go. I can move this around the page if I need to, but for now we'll just leave it there. And then we're going to go to project view, select the model, I'm going to project a plan view, project a side view. If I want to, I can do an isometric view as well, although isometric's not required. We can have it there. I don't need to do the left hand side because it's symmetrical, so the right hand side's the same, so I only need one side view. I could do the bottom underneath, but I'm going to work with what we've got here. So the only thing I need to add now to this orthographic drawing will be the dimensions. So at the top, we've got this dimensions section here, and I'm going to add a dimension. So I don't need to repeat these dimensions on each of the views. So if I dimension that circle there, I don't need to draw it on here or here because that would be the same dimension. Okay, so all I did then was I zoomed in so I could see what I was doing. And I can select the line, so that line's highlighted there, 4.7. So I can select it and then click again and add the dimension. Obviously I don't need that one twice like I was saying before. So I'm going to delete that. The other way you can add dimensions, so you can obviously select the lines, but you can also select points. So if I wanted the absolute height, it would be that corner to that corner. It's going diagonally there, so I don't want that. These projection lines here, they should be going perfectly horizontal on the page. So let's try again. There we go. It's an obscure measurement, but something's not quite right there, but we'll work with this. So we've got that circle, we've got the height. We don't need to repeat the height on this one because we've already got it here, but we can go on and add other dimensions. One thing we might want to do would be like the radius of this curve. So if I just hover over it, I'm not clicking on anything here and it shows me what it's going to add the dimension to. So I want that radius. So that's a diameter symbol there. So that radius would be 2, diameter 4. Okay, so I can keep working through this and I can add all the critical dimensions to my drawing. And then once it's completed, I need to export or screenshot my work and put it into my portfolio. So under the export option here, we've got export as a PDF and so on. Or you could just do a simple screenshot of your page as you would in any other software to drop into your work. Okay, so that's a simple orthographic in Fusion 360. Thank you. Enjoy.